How to fix Twitter? We can now send a text message to this phone number problem easily and fast. Hello guys, welcome back to this brand new video. I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem easily and fast. So first thing you wanna do is open the settings and then go to the apps manager. Open the apps, go to Twitter, click on the notifications, and now disable the banners option and go back, click on the storage, click on clear data, click on delete, open the Play Store, search for Twitter and update it, and you can do the same thing on the iPhone iOS. After you finish, restart your phone and then reopen Twitter and the problem must be solved. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.